done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Oh. Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the ArcticVette channel. Today, we're gonna kind of cover why we didn't have a video yesterday, a little storytelling video, which I usually do on Sundays, and what we're doing today. And so, let's just dive right on in. Let's get into it. It's pretty chilly out here, so I got my coveralls on, got my ArcticVette hoodie and my ArcticVette beanie. And Mr. Cohen here, he's got his jacket and he's got some pants on. Yes, baby. You need help zipping it? He needs some help zipping his jacket. So let's do that. Okay, you hold this. So, yesterday, I wasn't able to make a Storytelling Sunday video because I was busy actually helping clean out the house that we're going to be moving into. Yep, you heard it. We're moving out of this house and we're moving into a new one. So that's going to be playing a big part in my time to upload and make videos. Is I'm going to be, well, I already have been packing and moving stuff, trying to get moved from this house to our new house. Yes. Okay, show them.
This.
A gingerbread house. Yay!
I got it.
You're excited?
Yeah, I got it for my birthday.
You got it for your birthday.
Uh-huh.
'Cause your birthday is when?
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Birthday.
Wednesday. Yep. His birthday is rolling around the corner.
And I didn't do them. And my birthday on my friends.
Birthday with all your friends. Yeah. He's pretty excited about that.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
It's a heater.
Yep, that's our space heater.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yep, it's gonna warm up.
It'll warm up.
Because today I can't show you guys what I'm doing.
Look at me.
But oh, Cohen, you're such a goofball. You just called you guys ding dong, so welcome to the ding dong family. We're gonna get the gimbal out. Okay, Cohen, I'm gonna shut this door, and don't forget your gingerbread house. So that's the reason why I wasn't able to get a Storytelling Sunday out, is because I spent all day Sunday. Yes, you got your sunglasses. You match Daddy now. Yay! I spent all of Sunday over at the new house cleaning it out and helping. And man, it was a lot of moving, a lot of good exercise I need. Hey, we need to shut this door. Go put your gingerbread house down. Oh yeah, we got our Christmas tree up. Maybe we should show you guys that.
Yeah.
You want to show them the Christmas tree? Okay, go plug it in. Go plug it in. All right, we'll show you guys the Christmas tree. While he's doing that, I'll tell you what we're doing today. It definitely involves Dora. Go plug it in. Go plug it in. We're gonna surprise him. We're working on Dora today, and this is something that will be coming to the channel. But hold on, Bubba. Hold on. It's gonna take a minute to get on the channel, and when it does, I actually am gonna have 2 videos. I'm gonna have an unboxing, and then I'm gonna have an install video. That's all I'm telling you guys. We'll catch you on those videos. For right now, let's turn you around. Let Cohen show you the Christmas tree.
Look at Christmas tree.
Don't wiggle it. Don't wiggle it. Just, yeah, there. There you go. And go down. Show them the bottom. There you go.
Look at my makeup.
Yeah. Go back up and show them again.
My
Hold
hand.
on. There's something in this tree. What's in the tree? Move your finger. Look down. Oh no, our elf.
Yeah.
He got touched. He got touched. Oh, yeah, okay. Thank you. Our poor elf. Mr. Jingle Bells. He got touched. So he's currently in a coma. So there's the rest of our Christmas. We have way more stockings than we need, but hey, that was actually my first one ever, and that's my new one. I need some more stickers.
Hey, and then down here, I'm Iron Man.
Cohen is Iron Man.
Hey, you but him.
Yeah,
A race.
I'm the race one.
And why a puppy one?
Riley got the puppy. That's kind of a bear.
Yeah, that bear.
Oh, these-
And why a puppy?
Audie Spider-Man.
No,
Riley. So
Yeah.
Riley's the bear.
Yeah, no,
Riley's that one.
yeah.
That one, and then Audie's that one, and
Yeah.
Cohen's that one. And this one was for our dog. They ran away.
Yeah, why we didn't want one? And this
He's
is
such a
my
little
one.
dog. So anyhow,
Do.
that's our Christmas tree.
Yeah, Mecca.
He could go on and on about this all day, guys.
Hey guys, look at. Hey guys, look at my Mecca.
Captain America. Oh yeah, as we knock off more. But here's what it's really about right there.
Like
Doing it
this
for Dale.
thingy.
We need some more light.
And we like.
There. Now you can see. Doing it for Dale. Oh yeah, and Junior. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button.
Mommy, no. You want that button? And ring that bell.
Oh, Cohen, you crack me up, bud.
And ring
So
that
don't
bell.
forget, drop those comments down below. Let us know what you think about how the boys did the Christmas tree, because they did this all by themselves, with the exception of me putting that on top.
Yeah, you double.
They got the tree out. They
You,
put the tree up because I was rested
and you double up.
from my
and
surgery.
why you
So
ring that bell?
they did awesome. Yep, click that bell. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Oh, P.S. Merry Christmas.